Ladies and gentlemen, before we continue with the next set of Times Drive Auto Awards 2025, I would now like to take this opportunity to thank all our wonderful partners one more time. So can we please get a big round of cheers one more time for our presenting partner, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, who believes in always delivering happiness. And you know what happens when we put our hands together? Our body releases feel-good hormones. We want all of you to be happy. So come on, let's bring in some cheers. Well, we have our associate partner, Urban Harvest, our supporting partner, Maxwell Energy, our loyalty and AI solutions partner, TagandPay.ai, our innovation and engagement partner, Magic Tap, our technology partner, Qualcomm India, our auto accessories partner, Vega, our amplification partner, Daily Hunt, and our outdoor partner, Heights. One more time, some applauses for all the partners. They are the ones who actually made this summit, this awards happen. So thank you so much to them one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, as we proceed further, our next set of awards are presented by HPCL. So for the same, I would like to call upon stage the marketing marvel himself. Please put your hands together for Mr. Amit Garg, Director Marketing at Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, along with Mr. K.S. Shetty, Director HR at HPCL. Can we please have both the gentlemen here on the stage? Welcome back to you, gentlemen. So everyone, we are now proceeding with our first set of award, which is HP Racer Future X presents Motorcycle of the Year. Well, let me tell you that HP Racer Future X is an ultra premium automotive oil that is a superior choice your engine deserves. And this award goes to none other than Aprilia RS 457. Congratulations. May I request their representatives to please join us up on the stage to receive this award, ladies and gentlemen. Please bring it in for Aprilia RS 457. So since we are seeing some supercars over here, our next award category is HP Power 95 presents Premium Sedan of the Year. Well, let me tell you that HP Power 95 is a premium fuel for supercars. And this goes to none other than Mercedes-Benz E-Class. Congratulations! Class. Can we have a big round of cheers one more time? Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, with this we are proceeding towards our next award category. And our next award category is HP Pay presents Digital Campaign of the Year Auto Sector. So HP Pay, I believe, now needs no introduction at all. Mr. Garg already spoke about it during his session. But still, let me tell you that it is a fully integrated digital payment platform for the fuel and energy sector. And this award goes to none other than MG Windsor. Congratulations to MG Windsor. May I request the representatives to please join us up on the stage to receive this award. Heartiest congratulations to you. Let's hear it one more time for MG Windsor. Many congratulations. Alright, our next award is Social Change Maker of the Year. And this award goes to Royal Enfield. Congratulations. Can I request the representatives of Royal Enfield to please join us up on the stage to receive this award? Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our achievers with some more energy, please. Mr. Rohit Chadha to please join us up on the stage and kindly felicitate the team of HPCL we have here amongst us. Well, the marketing marvel needs no introduction at all. We already heard him during his session, ladies and gentlemen. We have amongst us Mr. Amit Garg, Director Marketing, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. And we also have amongst us Mr. K.S. Shetty, who is the Director Human Resources at HPCL. He has over 25 years of HR experience. He oversees talent acquisition, capability building, career planning and compliance with labor laws. He also sits on the board of HPCL's wholly owned subsidiary, HPLNG. Thank you so much, HPCL, for all your contribution and for being a partner in Times Drive Auto Summit and Awards 2025. Can we just take one more photograph together with all three of you? Thank you so much once again, HPCL. Can we just hear a big round of applause for them one more time? Please bring it in. Thank you for all your contribution. Mr. Chadha, may I request you please stay back on the stage for our next set of awards. Ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, we are proceeding towards our next award, which is Scooter of the Year. And this award goes to TVS Jupiter 110. Congratulations, TVS Jupiter. I still believe we can do better with the energy that we are bringing in. So, come on everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, Scooter of the Year, TVS Jupiter 110. Thank you so much. Congratulations to you. Our next award is Update of the Year two-wheeler category, and it goes to Ather 450 Apex. Many, many congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together one more time for Ather 450 Apex. Well, our next award is Adventure Motorcycle of the Year, and it goes to Honda NX500. Kudos. Congratulations. Steve, can we please have you up here on the stage? Well, indeed, it is a celebratory moment. And ladies and gentlemen, can we please hear it one more time for Honda NX500. Many, many congratulations to you. Ladies and gentlemen, with this, our next award is Viewer's Choice Motorcycle of the Year. And it goes to Java 42 FJ. Congratulations. I request their team to please join us up on the stage to receive this award. Ladies and gentlemen, please bring in some more energy one more time for Java 42 FJ. Viewer's Choice Motorcycle of the Year. Well, our next award is Commuter Motorcycle of the Year ICE category, and it goes to Hero Extreme 125R. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together one more time for Hero Extreme 125R. Our next award category is Performance Bike of the Year, and it goes to Suzuki GSX 8R. Congratulations. Congratulations to you. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, performance bike of the year, Suzuki GSX 8R. Well, our next category is very interesting. We are now going to reward the car of the year, and it goes to Maruti Suzuki Dzire. Heartiest congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together one more time for Maruti Suzuki Dzire for being Car of the Year. Moving on to the next category, which is Performance Car of the Year, and it goes to BMW M5. Congratulations. Gentlemen, can we please hear some more energy for BMW M5 for being Performance Car of the Year. Our next award category is Luxury Electric Car of the Year, and it goes to BYD Seal. Congratulations. BYD team, can I request you to please join us up on the stage to receive this award? Heartiest congratulations to you. Ladies and gentlemen, our next award category is Update of the Year. Well, it goes to none other than Hyundai Creta. Congratulations, Hyundai team. I still feel we can do better with the energy. Can I just hear a big round of applause for Hyundai Creta, ladies and gentlemen. Our next award category is Coupe SUV of the Year, and it goes to Tata Curve. Congratulations, Tata Curve. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, let's hear a thunderous round of applause for Tata Curve. Our next award category is Viewer's Choice Car of the Year, and it goes to none other than Honda Amaze. Many congratulations to you. Team Honda, can we please have you up here? Ladies and gentlemen, please keep the claps rolling one more time for Honda Amaze. Well, our next award category is Compact SUV of the Year, and it goes to Mahindra 3X0. Congratulations. Mahindra team, you're requested to please join us up on the stage to receive this award. Heartiest congratulations to you. Many congratulations. With this, ladies and gentlemen, proceeding towards our next award category, which is Design of the Year, and it goes to, my God, I believe it's going to be their second award this evening, none other than MG Windsor. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, second award this evening. I believe we can have a double round of energy for them. Congratulations. With this, everyone, we are now proceeding towards our next award category, which is Sustainability Champion of the Year. And it goes to BMW i5 M60. Congratulations one more time to BMW. Ladies and gentlemen, can we please have some more noise one more time for BMW? Our next award category is Green Mobility Leader Four-Wheeler Brand, and it goes to Tata Motors. Congratulations to Tata Motors. Wow. Again, I believe second award this evening, Team Tata. Kudos, congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, with this we are now proceeding towards the next award category, which is Automotive Personality of the Year Four-Wheeler. And it goes to none other than Partho Banerjee, Senior Executive Officer, Sales and Marketing, Maruti Suzuki, India. Congratulations to you, Mr. Banerjee. Ladies and gentlemen, our next award is for the Best CSR Initiative, and it goes to Samarth by Hyundai. Congratulations to you, Team Hyundai, one more time. Can we request you to please join us up on the stage to receive this award? Ladies and gentlemen, second award this evening by Team Hyundai. Can we hear a big round of applause for them? Moving on to the next award category, which is Manufacturer of the Year Four-Wheeler. And it goes to, well, it goes without saying, Maruti Suzuki. Congratulations. Congratulations to the team Maruti Suzuki one more time. Come on everybody, a roaring round of applause for them please. Moving on to the next award category, which is Manufacturer of the Year Two-Wheeler. And it goes to, well, the Royal Ride, Royal Enfield. Congratulations. Again, the second award this evening. Heartiest congratulations to you, ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, can we please hear it one more time for Royal Enfield? Our next award category is MPV of the Year, and it goes to Kia Carnival. Congratulations, Team Kia. Can we please have you up here on the stage? With that, ladies and gentlemen, our next award category is EV of the Year. And it goes to, well, I believe it's going to be a hat trick for them, MG Windsor EV. I think you all should take a seat over here near to the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, please put your hands together for MG Windsor EV. Ladies and gentlemen, the next award category is 4x4 SUV of the Year, and it goes to Mahindra Thar Rocks. Congratulations. Team Mahindra, I request you to please join us up on the stage, and everybody please give it up one more time for Mahindra Thar Rocks. towards our next award category, which is Social Change Maker of the Year. And this award goes to Puneet Anand, AVP and Vertical Head Corporate Communication and Social at Hyundai Motor India Limited. Congratulations to you, Mr. Anand. Our next award category is Queen Drive Club, most popular auto women club. Well, it goes to none other than Big Boy Toys. Congratulations. The Queen herself would be receiving this award. Congratulations to you, Ritika. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. One more time for her. Well, our next award category is Premium Bike Manufacturer of the Year. And it goes to none other than Ducati India. Congratulations. Our next two awards, I would like to urge all of you to please rise up from your seats, because our next award is Times Drive Hall of Fame. And this award goes to a personality who is no longer here with us, but he has left an indelible mark on our hearts and minds. I'm talking about none other than late Sri Ratan Tata ji. Can I request all of you to please rise up from your seats? And I would request the team Tata to please join us up on stage to receive this honor. Our next award, that is again Times Drive Hall of Fame, goes to late Shri Osamu Suzuki-san. So may I request Team Maruti Suzuki to please join us up on the stage to receive this honor. Next award category, you're requested to please have a seat, which is Powering Horeca with Ultra Fast Ingredients Fulfillment. And it goes to none other than Deliver It. Congratulations to Deliver It. Can I request the team to please join us up on the stage to receive this honor? And ladies and gentlemen, I believe you know what you have to do. Please put your hands together louder for Deliver It. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, we would now like to take this opportunity to felicitate our incredible partners here. So I would like to call upon our loyalty and AI solutions partner, TagandPay.ai. Can I request the team to please join us up on the stage? Thank you so much for all your support. Can we hear a big round of applause for Tag and Pay? Thank you. Thank you so much once again. It's a token of honor and appreciation from Times Network. Thank you so much for being a part of this summit. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, next up we would like to felicitate our innovation and engagement partner. Please give it up for Magic Tap. Thank you so much, Magic Tap. The entire team is requested to please join us over here. And I think you must have seen their magic that they're showcasing outside. Everybody, can we please hit a big, big round of applause for them one more time? I believe you must have met their robot outside, serving water to everyone. So, thank you so much once again, Magic Tap. Thank you. Partners are the ones who actually make any event happen. So, they should deserve the loudest round of cheers. Come on. Okay, so with this now, it's time for our outdoor partner, Heights. Thank you so much, Heights. May I request Mr. Kefi Bharti to please join us up on the stage to receive this honor. Thank you so much once again for all your support and contribution, Kefi. Once again, Ms. Chadha, may I request you to kindly felicitate Team Heights. Thank you, and thank you so much, Mr. Chadha, for doing the honors of presenting all the awards. Thank you. Can we please hit a big hand for him as well? He has been standing here with us for quite some time. Thank you.